Hey y'all, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make the most chewiest chocolate chip cookie ever. And you will need only 6 ingredients to create this recipe. So if you want to see how it's done, be sure to stay tuned. Like the video for me, please, if you find it helpful. And of course, subscribe if you're new. Without further ado, let's make it. Alright, let's get started. In a mixing bowl, I'll be adding white sugar, brown sugar, and as well as some salt. Now I am adding vanilla extract and melted butter. A whole lot of melted butter. Just pour that in there and give it a quick mix. Now I'll be adding 1 egg in and mix it all together. Now it's time for me to add my flour. I am also adding a little bit of baking powder in there, and make sure you sift your flour as well. You can add it little by little if you like. That's what I did in this video. Now I am going to add the rest of the flour in, and then I'll be mixing it all up together. Now I am going to add my chocolate chip in there. You can add whatever chocolate chip you want, white chocolate, dark chocolate, or light brown, whatever you want to add in there. Basically just add your chocolate chip in there, mix it all up together, and as well you can add as much as you want. Duh, it's your chocolate chip cookie. So I am going to add a little bit more and stir it up. Once you're done, cover it with a saran wrap, put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Once the 30-minute is up, this is it. The dough should be nice and firm right now. It should be nice and hard. Do not do anything else. Now we're going to bake them, okay? Now when you're baking your cookies, be sure to use a little bit of the dough because that dough will spread out and be really big. So make sure you use about a tablespoon of that dough and put it on a cookie tray. Make sure you spray whatever you're baking it in. Bake it for exactly 12 minutes. Then take it out, okay? Once they come out, this is how they look. They're nice and soft and chewy. Even though you see the top is kind of soft, it's still good. It's ready. Do not leave it in there longer or you're gonna burn it, or it's not gonna be as chewy. Okay, so this is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. I love me some good old chocolate chip cookie, especially if you make them at home and they soft and warm. You can eat them with some milk. This is it, you guys. I truly hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Like I said, it was very easy. You can make this for everybody in the house. It just tastes amazing. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you find it helpful, leave me a comment down below. Any suggestion, any question that you have, let me know. I'll answer it for you. And this is it. I am going to cut it open, break it open for you guys. Yes, they're nice and chewy, like I said. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe if you're new here. Please hit the subscribe button and also share this video. Comment, share, like, please, guys. I'm begging you guys. I know you will do it for me because I'm coming through with these recipes and you guys love them. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.